Hey guys, it's Adam with WebStarts.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to create a coupon code for your online store that allows for a limited number of uses. That means that you can just assign the number of times that a particular coupon code can be used. Before I dive in and do that, I would like you to tap the subscribe button, also ring the notification bell. That just helps you know when I release a new video on internet marketing, web design, search engine optimization, and a variety of similar topics. All right, let's dive in and take a look at how you do this. I'm logged into my WebStarts store. First thing I want to show you is how the coupon code works. So I'm going to click on a link to my site, go to my cart, go to my checkout page. I'm already logged in, so all my shipping information is populated. You have this field here that says have a coupon. You enter the coupon code in there and of course click apply, and it's applied to the total. Now I don't have any coupon set up, so I'm going to dive back on over to my WebStarts dashboard. Scroll down, click on my store application panel that opens up the manage store view, and select the coupons option. Here you can see that I've created a coupon earlier. I did that by clicking add coupon. I chose to do it for an amount, but you can also do it for a percentage. I gave it the name limit. I'm going to give this one the name limit 2. And then I entered the amount that I wanted to take off of that particular order. In this case, I'm going to give it $5. You can set a maximum amount if you set percentage or that kind of thing. You can set the expiration date for the coupon if you want to use that. This one's set to never expire, and then I'm just going to say this one can be used one time. I'm going to click create, and now my coupon limit 2 has been created on the checkout screen. If I go there and I add that coupon limit 2 and click apply, you can see that it took $5 off of my order total, and then I can continue with my order just by entering in a card number. Let me do that just for test purposes and show you what that looks like. And then you can place the order. The order goes through. My account is in test mode, but nonetheless it's going to allow that test order to go through. And then what I can do is go back over to my store, and I can see here that I've not ever had anybody use the coupon because I made 1 available and 0 were redeemed. But if I click on that again, now you can see that 1 of the coupons was redeemed. And then also, if I go back to check out, let's say I just add an item to my cart one more time, and I check out, I can try to use that coupon again. This time I'm going to type limit 2, click apply, and you're going to see that it is going to show this message right here that says, sorry, the coupon code you used is no longer valid. So you can set that to be used as few times as you'd like, or as many times as you'd like, and you can create as many coupon codes as you like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, don't forget to go to WebStarts.com to sign up and create your very own free online store or website or blog. And also tap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to see more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.